Turn up to this old 24 CDI Worcester RSF. No hot water. Run the hot tap, boiler doesn't do anything. Whip out Partsarena app. Find the water diverting valve micro switch assembly and the sensor. We'll have a quick look at that. You see the pin in there should be out. He's not, he's stuck in. Try and free it up with a bit of WD-40, kind of like a TRV. What should happen is as the water flows through it when you open a hot tap, the pin comes out, which then clicks and makes a micro switch, and then the boiler fires. Needs a little bit more WD-40 because there's never enough. Open the hot tap again. You can see it's clicked. Boiler's fired. Happy days. So just a quick demonstration how easy Partsarena is to use. Type in the GC number that we had. Click that. 6 results. Find the model we want. 24 CDI at the top. Click that. Then we go to parts. Pump hydraulic assembly. And there's an exploded diagram. That's the part we want. I freed it up for now, but the diaphragm's probably split, so I'm going to order a new one. New diverter valve, there we go. I'll order that, go back and change it, but hopefully that will tide him over while I wait to get the parts.